Assalamu alaikum. Revision 2 on page 4. 1. Look and say bag, bat, boy, banana, cap, cat, clock, carrot, pen, parrot, pot, potato, table, tank, tomato, top, ball, cook, pond, tiger.
Hello Dishan. 2. Find and name the following from the chart. नीचे दी हुई मालूमात चार्ट में तलाश करो और उनके नाम बताओ. 2 animals.
Tiger, cat.
2 birds.
Parrot, cook.
3 things you play with.
Ball, bat, top.
4 things you eat.
Banana, carrot, tomato, potato. Hello Ashan. How many 5-letter words do you see here? Name them.
Tiger, table, clock. Hello Astaba. How many 6-letter words do you see here? Name them.
Banana, carrot, potato, tomato, parrot.
Slow.
Assalamu alaikum.